Ninth Standard Social Science, History, Chapter number 3, Religious Promoters and Social Reformers. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, Shankara was born at Dash in Kerala. Shankara was born at Kalati in Kerala. Second one, the world is an illusion, Brahma alone is the truth. This statement was declared by Dash. Answer is Shankaracharya. Third one, proponent of Dvaita philosophy is Dash. Proponent of Dvaita philosophy is Madhvacharya. Let's move to second main. Answer the following questions by discussing with your group. First question, explain the Advaita philosophy. Shankaracharya propagated the Advaita philosophy. According to this, Brahma is the absolute truth, the rest of the world is false. The soul is one with Brahma and life is not separated from Brahma. The world is Maya, an illusion. Brahma is the absolute truth. People are ignorant. They are not aware of the illusionary nature of the world. They are also not aware that Brahma is the only truth. Hence, we should go on the path of knowledge and realize the nature of the world. Ultimately, we should merge our Atma or soul with the absolute truth, Brahma. Only then we can attain moksha or liberation. These are all about the Advaita philosophy. Second question, which is the philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya? What is their sect called? The philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya is Vishishtadvaita. Their sect is called Sri Vaishnavism. Third question, explain the philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya. His philosophy is called as Vishishtadvaita. According to this philosophy, Jiva or life and Prakruti or nature are under the control of Brahma. Both Atma and Paramatma cannot become one simultaneously. He said that world is the expressed manifestation of Brahma and world is a reality. In order to achieve mukti or salvation, bhakti and prapatti, complete surrenders to God, are important. These are the philosophy advocated by Ramanujacharya. Question number 4. What are the teachings of Madhvacharya? The teachings of Madhvacharya are: according to Madhvacharya, the world is not Maya or illusion. It is as true as Paramatma or the divine soul. Between these, the divine soul is independent and the rest of the world is illusionary. The divine soul and the human soul have a lord and servant relationship. Lord Vishnu or Narayana alone is supreme. Worship of Lord Vishnu can elevate the human soul and thus enable it to attain moksha. These are all the teachings of Madhvacharya. Question number 5. Write a note on the work is worship philosophy of Basaveshwara. Basaveshwara declared no profession is more important or less important. He nurtured the culture of work is worship through his physical labor philosophy. By declaring body as the temple, Basaveshwara tried to implement work is worship philosophy in life. These thinkings are still the guiding lights of the present society. Question number 6. Who established Anubhava Mantapa? What were its objectives? Basaveshwara established Anubhava Mantapa. All Sharanas, including Basaveshwara and others, engaged in meaningful discussions on various socio-cultural issues like gender discrimination and caste system. Similarly, they were also discussing the shortcomings of religions and were suggesting remedies to these issues. Spiritual discussions were also held regularly. These were all the objectives of Anubhava Mantapa, which was established by Basaveshwara. 7th question. Name the books written by Shankaracharya. Shankara Bhashya, Ananda Lahari, Saundarya Lahari, Shivananda Lahari, Viveka Chudamani, Prabuddha Sudhakara, Dakshinamurti Stotra. These are all the books written by Shankaracharya.